Yo.
What's up?
Hey, what's up, man?
How you doing?
You're good. How are you? Yeah, why not?
Already started?
Yeah, dude.
Alright, cool. What are you doing today?
I don't know. Just gonna record for a while.
That's cool. Hi.
Yo.
Okay. So what do you want to do?
I don't know, man. How can we make this fun for Jasper to edit this?
For Jasper to edit?
Yeah. He's got to edit this tomorrow to release
like tonight
on
and
Tuesday.
tomorrow.
Yeah.
Should we eat?
Yeah, sure. Where do you want to go?
I don't know. I don't have anything here. So, gonna go get something
Sure.
somewhere. Cold outside, so.
Right. Where do you want to go?
Just Korean food.
All right, let's do it.
Wanna get some Korean food to go? Maybe.
Yeah, I'm down.
You can come back here.
For sure, man.
Alright, let's do it.
Okay. Yeah, tell me about what you thought about the Oscars today.
I was overall happy, I guess. Pretty satisfied. I didn't feel like anyone was really snobbed or anything. I think most people who won today really deserved that. But yeah, I mean, obviously Parasite was a huge surprise for me, and it seems like for the internet it was also a big deal.
Right.
Yeah, the ceremony just ended like 30 minutes ago, so I guess I'm just still processing the fact that
Still a bit speechless?
something like Parasite 1 is just kind of yeah, it's never happened before, so I don't know what this really means. And I didn't really know much about it, other than the fact that it won a bunch of awards. Pick it up.
Yeah, Jasper's calling.
Yeah.
Yo, what's up?
What's up?
Hey.
Are you with Taka right now?
I am, yeah. We're going out to get something to eat.
Korean food, baby.
Okay, cool.
Korean food to go, baby. All day.
Dude, actually,
Do you have a favorite Korean restaurant?
I'm not sure if I do. Oh, BCD tofu. That's
Oh,
always
nice.
great. But to be honest, I don't know that many places. Okay, 7 minutes. What do I have to say?
Yeah, what do you have to say?
Um,
It's a historical day.
It is. And obviously it was a great day for Parasite and Korean films in general, but I think there are other wins that are also kind of monumental and important, like the fact that Joaquin Phoenix won Joker, second Joker movie, or Joker to win the leading role. And this is such a weird I've never turned right here, but it's kind of shady. But obviously when each one was exciting, I was hugging with my wife Aya
Yeah.
for each win, because she also liked the movie. She usually doesn't like anything dark or gritty,
Mhm.
but she really liked Parasite because it was very well structured, very well shot. So every win was exciting, and obviously winning Best Picture was exciting too. So at the moment I was kind of in this high, but I think it's been about an hour since the announcement.
Mm-hmm.
And I think one thing that I definitely want to keep in mind is that it's cool that Parasite won a bunch of films, but that by itself doesn't really change much. You know, it's just a win. So, and I feel like this is kind of be the same. Like a lot of people are going to be talking about Parasite for a while, but it doesn't mean that, you know, suddenly like Korean film or like Asian film is kind of like the center of attention. That's not how things work. So, this is a great win, but I feel like for a team like F8, it's important to kind of like still like be aware of like how little attention people pay attention to Asian films or you know, Asian characters or stuff in general in Hollywood. So yeah, it's kind of how I feel right now.
Yeah, I guess I would agree with that, but at the same time, I feel like this director is pretty outspoken when it comes to like trying to put more emphasis on like getting Western viewers to watch Asian films.
Right. Yeah.
But yeah, you're right. Like, why is it that it's only 2020 that, you know, white people are finally watching something like Parasite? Because there's been like so many other good Asian movies, you know,
I feel like
last decade as well.
Yeah, of course. I mean, people are paying attention to Parasite. It's not like people are paying attention to Korean films or like, you know, Bong Joon-ho films. Like people are paying attention to Parasite because people like that, you know. So it's not like, I think like there's a huge difference between like people appreciating Parasite and also people like finally using like Asian American talent in Hollywood movies. Got shit to do. Ice cream. Okay, there's a Chinese place. Okay, let's just drive around and like find whatever.
Okay. So you're giving up on Korean?
I am.
Okay.
For the sake of time. And
not because you don't
like
Parasite?
Appreciate Korean. Like I feel like right now, I think the whole F8 team should just get together and go to Koreatown to celebrate. And like, yeah. Don't you agree?
Yeah. But people have shit to do.
I know. I got shit to do too, so. Okay, this is really hard to like drive and talk. It's like we're looking for places. Obviously I don't want McDonald's. Subway? Yeah?
Okay.
Okay. Or whatever, Wawa Grill. Yeah, it's the same way how people see like Miyazaki as kind of like this exception. Like, a lot of people don't watch anime, and I understand why exactly. But people see him as an exception because like he's such a master of like what he does.
Right.
So that's kind of how I see it. That this is obviously an amazing thing to celebrate, but you still remember like where we are at right now. Understand that it's.
But it's a big step.
I know it is, but
Big step.
yeah.
What do you think would be the next step then? You know, how do you actually get that full attention from?
Well, we need a Korean American film in English to win Best Picture and also the Best Actor category. Is I think something that'll like really change stuff. Okay. Hello. Just Swiss cheese? Awesome. I will have that. Toasted.
It's good.
Yeah. Glendale, I think.
Oh wow. Okay.
It's just in the middle of nowhere. I just never stopped by this area. someone like me who is like virtually unknown at this point. Hope that doesn't last too long, but it's not like suddenly people think I'm someone like worth like considering as like one of the top directors just because I'm Asian. That's not gonna happen. So it's great to celebrate, but I think it's also important to just, can you hold this? Yeah. To kind of just move past that and, you know, continue working on your own stuff. Because,
well, then how about like something like Crazy Rich Asians?
Yeah, I see that because, you know, that's a Hollywood movie. You know, it's a Warner Brothers movie, and I, you know, do work with, you know, some people from Warner, and it's something that is like happening locally. You know, like it's made, not shot in LA, but, you know, obviously made in LA by filmmakers who live in LA. I feel like I can be proud of myself, and I was, you know, proud to be part of that like community. Like it's not like people come up to me and be like, "Hey, congratulations!" You know, it's like your people won, like, because that'll be incredibly racist. First of all. I'll just celebrate this for one night, or a couple of nights, and then just, you know, continue like working on like what you're, like the stuff that you're working on before the Parasite success. So, yeah. TBH, like, I have no idea what this is going right now. Because like for me, like I want this to be like unusable footage.
So what can we talk about? What should we talk about? And how can we keep it interesting still? You know?
I don't know, I'm not an interesting guy, so.
You're not?
I'm not. Like,
very interesting.
Just like talking about like my opinion, like that kind of like makes me sick. It's like
it does.
Yeah, because like I hate when people do that to me. So I'm like, I'll just like stop listening, like when they like start preaching. I don't know, maybe that comes from my insecurities.
What can we do?
Yeah. So.
Okay.
I feel like I'm just talking shit.
Oh man, it's good, it's good. But again, we would have to cut out a lot of this.
Exactly, right? So,
yeah.
I don't know how much this is usable. Like, I feel like this is just kind of like documenting stuff for the future.